Today we're going to bring an LED light for either the kitchen, your living room, pretty much anywhere. This is going to light up the entire hallway or entrance pretty much. It's 4 squares that you can see that. You're going to have to adjust them how you want. They do give you a remote that you could set up with either a timer, even dim it down too, because it has built in. Now they do give you the actual module that controls the system. This is going to go embedded into the actual base itself. So you want to make sure that you connect it properly. You have your, it's very simple. Your hot and your neutral. That's all you got to do. And then the rest of it, it tells you you could add more additional lights in here. They all plug in through this base. It's pretty much like a switch, a little hub, right? So all of it gets plugged in through here. Every single one has to be plugged into this base itself. So just make sure, be aware that every single one that's connected has to mingle together into this box, and they all have to make sure that they line up. So if I was you, install this piece first, and then the rest of it could go together on the floor. And once you have it ready, raise it up. It's not that heavy to do it yourself, so very simple to put. Let's go ahead and do it together and see how it goes. All right, very important, they're all numbered. All right, 2, 3, and 1 and 1, and they all have numbers. All right, just be aware they all have numbers. All right, before you start out. All right, we're gonna test that down here in the ground first before we take it up there. Just make sure that I have the proper lighting set up. If you guys can see, this is beautiful light, and then you can hit it off, you can turn it on. Dim down, you can change the Ks here, and let's change it to different modes. Look at that one, more yellow, gets yellow, and then goes back to normal. All right, and then you can put timers on here. All right, let's take a look at the actual controller here. We got it on and off. We're going to turn it off, on, and then we got our K minus, K plus, and then we got our lighting. We could dim it down here from here too. We're going to dim it down, keep dimming it down if you guys can see that. We're going to go back up, and then we're going to change the Ks, all right, the lumens, all right? So we can change it to different size, different colors. You see that? Turns like, that's like a bright yellow, and then goes. So there are 3 modes, and then you got a timer, and then you got the, like a night light, kind of pretty much like a dim light. This is if you have kids and they're scared of dark, and then you can put a timer on it if you want, and then we can always go back to brightness, different brightness, and then we go off and on. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.